Hello children, back with fractions and decimals of standard 7. We have been solving real life examples related to fractions. We are going to proceed with it as fractions are there everywhere near us. Here we are starting with question number 6, that is Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit it in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter. So if you look at the numbers which are given as well as the figure that are shown here, you will see that the picture is larger than the frame. So to fit the picture inside the frame, we need to trim it. We need to cut the picture. The question is, how much should the picture be trimmed? We have to find out the length by which it has to be cut, that is trimmed. Now children, we all know that 7 integer 3 by 5 is larger than 7 integer 3 by 10. We are going to subtract the numbers to get the solution. The length to be trimmed will be 7 integer 3 by 5, which is larger, minus 7 integer 3 by 10. Now to proceed with the subtraction, we are going to change it into the improper fraction, followed by finding out the LCM. Now make the denominators same, that is equal, and subtract. So this is the final value, which is nothing but equal to 3 by 10 centimeter. It means the length of the picture which is to be trimmed, it is 3 by 10 centimeter, that is nothing but 0.3 centimeter, that we are going to study later. Now we have another example. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple. So there is an apple, 5 parts are made, and out of it 3 parts are the 3 parts are already eaten by Ritu, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? We have to find out the part of apple that is Somu has ate. Next question, who had the larger share? That we are going to find out once we get the amount that Somu has eaten. And then by how much? So children, let's find out the difference. And you always find the difference by subtraction. So here, part of the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. Part of apple eaten by Somu will be 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 is the complete one apple. So 1 minus 3/5 part that Ritu has ate. Now let's solve the value, solve the numbers by finding out the LCM. Make the denominators same and you get the part of apple eaten by Somu to be equal to 2 by 5. Now children, we all know that Ritu had more part. Hers was 3 by 5. For Somu it is 2 by 5. Obviously 3 by 5 is more. So we'll write Ritu had more part. But we have to find the difference also. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 gives you 1 by 5. So Ritu had more apple by 1 by 5th part. Next question. This is question 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So there are two people. They are doing the same work, that is coloring a picture. The picture is same, but you will see that the time taken by both of them, it is different. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So there are two parts in the question. Let us focus on the first part initially. Who worked longer? So children, Time taken by Michael, it is given to be 7 by 12 hour. Time taken by Vaibhav, it is 3 by 4 hours. Now this 3 by 4 hours can be written as 9 by 12 hour because these two are equivalent fraction. So this is how we have got the equivalent fraction. 3 by 4 when multiplied by 3 and 3 in the numerator and the denominator gives you 9 by 12. Now if you check both the time, that is 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. As the denominators have become same, it is easy for us to check who worked longer. So it is obvious that Vaibhav has taken more time. The second part of the question is, by what fraction was it longer? So children, let us find out the difference. To find the difference, we always subtract. After subtraction, you get the answer as 1 by 6 hours. As told earlier, you have to make sure that the final answer is in the reduced form, the lowest form. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you, children. Goodbye, all of you.